Good evening all. We are back testing a strategy. You can see three windows, one here, and one here. There are some indicators. Basically, I'll just click it. I put EMA cross and EMA. So basically it's 5, 8 and 13 days EMA. You can see 5 and 8 EMA here, and one more is the 13 EMA. And of course there is a volume default setting and VWAP, volume weighted average price, that is the default setting. Coming to the next window, this one is the DMI, where you can say the default setting 14 days length, and ADX smoothing is the 14 days. This is to get the white line is the plus D plus, and red line is the minus D1, and the other line is the ADX. Then stochastic RSI, I have kept the input as 10 10 3 3. This I have searched in the internet, and I found that instead of 14 10 gives the best result. I just traded with this, backtested with this, so found the result. So this is the setting. Here you can see, here I have put a small column type. Instead of keeping 80 and 20 here, 80 and 20, I kept it as 55 and 45, so that you will know when the stochastic RSI comes down, when it touches to 55, so it's in the negative trend. So just to know that, and when it goes up, when it crosses 45, you are in a positive trend. So we will start backtesting. The thumb rule is the dotted line here. This dotted line is the VWAP. So the candles may be formed above the VWAP or below the VWAP or at the VWAP. So the thumb rule or basic rule is 4 possibilities. Whenever the candles are formed above the VWAP, and here the white line is above, that is the D plus is above, that means the trend is positive trend, and RSI comes from below and crosses 45, like here, like this. So then if these criteria matches, we will go for buying. That is the I go for a buying of call. And if the candles are formed below the VWAP and D minus is above, and here the crossing the RSI is coming down, so then it's a selling signal, and I will buy the put. One more case, if the candles are formed above the VWAP and here D plus is above, but RSI is going down, then we will not consider that trade because it is risky. Similarly, if the candles are formed below the VWAP and negative trend, that is the minus D1 is trading is dominating, but the RSI is going up, in the negative trend RSI going up, then we will not consider the trade. So the aim is to get 10 points, means roughly if the Nifty moves 20 points, then we will be getting 10 points in the money or the at the money. So here it is 201, matching all the criteria. Here it is matching, here it is matching, so it should go 202 to 182. It should go 182, so it came down to 156. Okay, then we'll go further. Here here. So actually here the trend is negative, so we will wait maybe later part of the day, not at 9:30, sorry, 9:30, because the high volatility. Maybe later part of the day, like after 10:30 or 11 o'clock, you can consider, even whenever there is a crossover, you can start think of buying. So we will just exclude this. You may take here, but still it is, this one is not supporting you, the DMI. Let us see what happens. We don't know what is beyond this, we don't know. So here there is a crossover in the RSI, means it is coming up above 45. Here it is not supporting. Then let's see if I have bought it at 239. Let's see what happens. 239. Here the RSI is crossing. Either you should come out 239, 245, means you may be earning 1 point or 2 point, or you may be earning at your cost. You have to come out at your cost price. Okay, so whenever the RSI starts to bend, then you have to come out. Okay, then we will move on. Let's see here. It's coming, it's above VWAP, but the trend line is negative, so we will exclude it. We will see if you have bought it, taken a risk, and you could have bought something. Here there is a crossover. Oh my god. So here there is a crossover. It is above, 45. So if you see, it's above 45, like this, like this. So it's above 45. Here you think you bought it here, so you are finding a good crossover, all positive things. This is more than, it's above VWAP. Your D1 D1 plus is crossing and going up. Your RSI also going up. So if you bought here, so let's see, this is at 253, 16253, and here it starts bending. Here, and here there is a red signal. So this is 314, 16,314 is the level here, and here it is 249, 250, means 50, 60, 62 points, almost 62 points in Nifty, and roughly 30 points, 30 to 35 points in underlying call option. Okay, now again it's going up, but you never know. Okay, you have not traded here. So here there's a risk, but still we are considering we will buy a put at the rate of 16,376. Let's see what happens. Here there is a crossover, and here is the EMA crossover, so it might come down. So keeping it here you can see it's going above. So you are coming out at this level, 317. What price you bought? 374 minus 317, roughly 55 to 60 points. Again 30 points is your underlying put move can be possible. So if you wait, here think that if you are buying here, because VWAP, it is coming closer to VWAP, it may go up, or the green candle somewhere here, if you are buying, So 255, then yes, red candle is formed, 255 to 372. So 27, consider 280 to 380, means 100 points. So 50 points movement is, you catch the 50-point movement. So again, observe the pivot point where you will know the resistance and the support. Again, some market hours like around 12 o'clock, 12:30, 1:30 when the European market opens, 2 o'clock and 2:30, the last 1 hour, and 2:30 at 3 o'clock. Be cautious at this time. Whenever the move happens, then suddenly either positive or negative, you will get a chance to earn. Similarly, you can easily lose the money at that time. So be careful. Keep this time in your mind and trade accordingly. I do keep alarms. Basically, at 10:30 and 12:15, 1:29 and 2:29, 3 o'clock and 3:25. Okay, so this is the you can backtest. You can go and backtest this strategy. I have done for many months. I have shown 1 day's backtesting. So similarly, you can do the backtesting, and if it suits to your psychology, then trade accordingly. So basically, I will repeat once again: EMA crossover 5, 8 and 13 day moving average, volume, and VWAP. VWAP is the default setting. DMI with the 10 days setting. Stochastic RSI. So DMI is 14 days, 14 is the setting, and stochastic RSI is 10-10-3-3. Okay. Thank you very much. Hope you like this video, and we'll come up with some other new video in the future. Thank you so much.